How is life in Alaska? Do you have 4 seasons in a year?
Life is fine in Alaska, and we do have 4 seasons.
Oh, really? You have spring, summer, autumn, and winter in Alaska?
Our 4 seasons are winter, still winter, almost winter, and winter starting up again.
Today, I have a cooking tip. Some reports say that cooking foods in aluminum foil leads to the seepage of the metal into your food, especially if you have wrapped up acidic, spicy, or liquid-covered foods to grill or put in the oven. To avoid extra aluminum in your food, you can purchase a stainless steel grill basket, which is suitable for grilling veggies and vegan meats, or consider using an oven-safe pan with a lid for grilling or steaming foods you'd normally cook in the disposable foil. This could be better for your health, plus it eliminates waste. Thank you for watching, and much love for being veg and going green to save the planet for all of us humans and all co-inhabitants alike.